hope you can hear me. Yeah, I hope you can hear her. Hi. Hi, I know. She's very excited. She's very sweet. And she's very pregnant. She had a hard time getting comfortable in the car. But she did just lay down and nap the whole way after she finished talking to me at first, saying hello. She's a bobtail, yes. Um, some cats have that genetically, so well, I guess we'll find out what happens with our kittens. That'll be interesting. Hi, you want to take a look around? Hi. This is your room. I know I didn't give you a little. Oh, that tail's so cute. That's so cute. It's very, very cute. All right. Oh, the way she kind of wags it. That's adorable. I'm going to give her some food and water, and then I'll be right back to see her a little more. I also have to use the restroom. I was out for a long time because I went to the wrong place to pick her up. And it took me an extra half an hour to go from there to where I was supposed to be. Fortunately, nobody minded too much because they were all sitting there waiting for other fosters and other things, I think. Gosh, I hope they weren't just there for me. They had a couple really adorable little puppies and things. Hi, you are really a talker. Oh, you want to look out the window? Oh, look at you. Look at you. How am I going to tell what you're feeling if you don't have a tail? How am I going to read you, huh? That's going to be an interesting trick without that signal that cats use to say so much. I guess we'll be able to tell if she has it up or down or a little bit waggy, but it's definitely going to be interesting. Okay, I know. You wait here. Oh, I know. You wait here. I'm not going to abandon you. I'm going to be right back. 2 seconds. 2 shakes. Hi, sweetheart. Oh no, I just spilled water everywhere. My mistake. All right, well, there's still plenty here for you. I saw Ari looking in the door at you. Were you hiding from him or were you using a litter box? Yeah, that's for you. You want it? Oh, that's good, huh? It's the Weruva Solistic. Good, huh? Yeah, go ahead for it. She looks at me like, I'm allowed to eat this? Well, I didn't really bring her a birthing box yet. I need to wash it one more time. I didn't bring her a pot or a bed to make up for it in the meantime, so let me find that real quick. I'll be right back, okay? You keep eating. You're good. Everybody's lined up outside the door now to see what's going on in here. Ari, the Tabby twins, Squall. So these are just temporary beds that you can pick from, sweetheart, and then we'll figure out something soon, okay? Real soon. Settling right into that food, huh? Okay. Says I need to put a new filter in. I'm gonna check the garage. I might have to order new ones. That's so good. Oh my goodness, it's so yummy. You want to be petted too? Okay. All right. Well, let's see what we can see of you while you're eating. You sure don't mind being touched. Let's take this off so I can check your belly. She was immediately talking to me and looking at me and real excited. And then once the car got going, she just settled down, sleeping. But then you could tell that she's going to be, those mom cats. She was just laying on one side, and then she'd get up and she'd lay on the other side for a while. And she'd just lay on the other side. Like it's tough for her to find a comfy spot, which I guess I can relate to. Not that I've been pregnant, but sometimes have that trouble sleeping. Hi, it's okay. It's okay. Hi. I know my hands are super cold. I just thought I'd see if I could feel any lumps right away, but I don't. Okay, that's all right. There you go. Okay. Sure, her head is so small. I'm sure you guys have noticed it, but that's the first thing I noticed when I saw her is how small she is compared to this. So my guess is that she's very young, probably maybe a year, I hope. And yeah, oh, a little sneeze, huh? Okay, so cute. DJ's gonna go wild for this tail. Hi, hi. You want to sit over here with me? Are you a lap kitty? I can see you want some attention. I don't know how much this camera can see of her actually when she's at the food dishes. Let me check that angle. Oh, you got some itchy ears, and I see you got a little bit of chin scab, not scab. You know that chin like flea dirt. So probably it has had fleas, but I'm sure she's been treated. I know. That's not unusual. But she looks pretty clean right now. Just a little bit of stuff on her chin and in her ears. um, okay, good. Yeah, the camera gets that pretty well, actually. I think that'll do. It could just be food dirt, like teaspoon still gets. Hopefully, I'll be able to check her like her mouth and stuff soon. I know. I just thought everybody could see you for a second up closer. Yeah. Oh, okay. Gosh, she is a pretty kitty. Really pretty green eyes too. I guess she's got itchy ears. Oh, oh, that's the good spot. We'll check it out. Maybe she needs a little bit of ear cleaner, which we have. We can clean them up. Oh, this one too. Oh, oh, you're purring now. Oh, you're scratching me now. I know. I know. What are you thinking, huh? Are we already best friends? She doesn't mind having the tail played with at all, and I have no idea what sort of a natural bobtail is like versus otherwise. So I'm just gonna have to wait for the kittens. I guess it'll be a fun thing to find out. This is so funny though. Oh my goodness, I can't get over it. We did have another cat that had a short tail, but not like this. She's still, hers was about half length. And it's funny, we've got Till in right now who has like a record long tail. So we really got both ends on the end right now. Both ends. I don't know how that works, but there's some wordplay there. Okay. Hi. Okay. Well, you're already coming around and let me touch you, huh? I feel like maybe you're a little dirty under here. Gotta wash your undercarriage, kiddo. You having some trouble reaching it, huh? There we go. I felt a little lump. They're already kicking. I think they're already kicking. So yeah, we could have a delivery anytime now. Okay, I gotta check her out with both hands again. I just thought you'd want to see her up close for a minute. Can I pick you up again? Come here. I want to put you in my lap. Let's see if you're okay with that. Little kisses. Go listen to you a little bit. How do you sound? Huh? Good. Lots of purrs. feels nice. Any scabs? No, just dirty. Oh, that's just dirt. Oh, dirty, dirty chin. Okay. Here's. Yeah, I'm just gonna take a look. I know, I know. Yeah, a little dirty. It doesn't look like fleas or ear mites or anything. No, I don't think so. I think she's just itchy and dirty. Now, hang on. Are you gonna let me check your undercarriage here? Let's take a look. Come on, I got this. Ready? Ready? I got you. Oh, she's purring. She's still purring. Okay. Oh, that is very dirty. I see that. Yeah. You got a spot in the middle. It's hard for you to reach, huh? And she looks like she's had kittens before, so that's good news, if you ask me. When she's this young, I'd be a little bit concerned if she hasn't had kittens before, but she looks like she almost certainly has. So that's good. You're very dirty under there. Can you reach that to clean that? Or are you going to need me to try to give you a bath now that we've just met, huh? That's a bad way to start out. I guess we can let you be dirty for a little while. Oh, okay. Now you got some petting, so you can go back to the food. This little tail wagging around is adorable. I can't get over that. There were two mom cats that were supposed to show up today, and Dawes had actually asked us if we wanted to take them both. And I really did because the other one was a tortie, so we got both had that orange genetics, which is really cool. But I thought probably we should have a couple more adoptions lined up before we go for two mom cats. But it all worked out. I didn't pick one or the other. I let Dawes do that because I can't play favorites. But they had picked the calico for us and the tortie for one of their other fosters who was there when I picked her up and didn't get her tortie because I guess the person that was fostering the tortie that was supposed to put it on the transport had, I don't know, something came up and they couldn't actually like bring the cat to the thing that day. So she's just going to be a few days late probably. But it turned out to be, I guess, convenient that we weren't planning on taking her here, and also it was fun to meet the person that is going to be taking her because. I always know that when we have to say, oh, we can't take both of them, that Dawes finds somebody else. But I've never, I don't think, had the opportunity to be like, oh, you got the other one, So that was cool. Seems like nice people. There were also two puppies waiting there, and they were just in a little like a fence area, um, and I got to sort of play with them a little. So cute. Oh my gosh. I very pretty eyes. Very wagging tail. I know. I know. I can't tell. I can't tell what you're saying. I can't tell what your tail is saying. Maybe we need to get like an extension. What do you think of that? You ever think about getting tail extensions in? Hmm? Maybe it comes out like an antenna. You think I should just. No? Okay. No, it doesn't. I'm trying. Hmm. Just trying to feel how the bones go in there, but it's nice to see that she really doesn't find it at all a problem. Okay, come up here on my lap if you want that kind of petting. Okay, let's teach you that this is where you come to get it. Oh, that'll get you to lay down real quick, huh? Hmm. Yeah, let's take a look at your pads real quick. Just a little chapped, huh? All right. Just a little bit chapped. That's all. Boy, this rug shows every little thing. It was so clean a minute ago. You probably can't see it, but now there's already little bits of hair and dander everywhere. Tiny bit of litter. Well, look, I can hang out with you and pet you all day long, but I gotta do a couple things first, okay? All the kittens are at the door. So far, she doesn't mind. She can very clearly see that that's another cat. You want some cat friends, or do you not want some cat friends? Oh, oh, what does it mean? What does it mean, huh? Don't worry, I got you back. They're friendly too, and you won't have to meet them until your babies are ready, okay? Unless you want to. Nobody really likes that bowl. I don't think she likes it either. It's a shame. It's so good looking, but every time I give a cat food in it, they never finish it. Not the way they do with the nice flat ones that we usually use. That's fine. When I feed everybody else lunch in about an hour and a half, I will get you a regular bowl full of the regular food, okay? Unless you finish that, and I'll get you one earlier. There's probably lots of stuff to smell right there. Oh, maybe a little too much to smell right there. I'm gonna take this away for now and find one that may not be a little bit dirty because I don't want you to think that that's what this is for. But I see that stain you're sniffing. That can't be good. It's okay. Oh, definitely not. Definitely not. Okay, I'm pretty sure I washed this one with bleach and everything. I think. Oh, no, this one needs a little extra washing too, I think. All right, well, we'll see what we can do about it. Back up. You don't want to come in here now. Well, so we're not scandalized for now. Maybe I can block this and not using this. And I'll find another, see if we've got something else we can put up that's not being used, or like we used to do an old cardboard box style. Always go back to that while I'm trying to figure out how to wash those shoji a little better. I gotta check how this looks. I'm gonna make sure I get it blocked from the camera. Oh yeah, it's pretty much fine. You can't see over there anyway, can you? It's just barely off camera. Good. They like the raised, just to be clear, they like the raised white bowl that she's drinking the water out of. That one's never been a problem for anyone. That's a good one that they like. But I also bought this fancy one that's tilted at an angle, and so far nobody likes this one. We'll see. They do like the ceramic one. That one's easy. Okay, I can't stay here. I have to go and see what's going on and take care of some kittens that really want some attention. Can I do that stuff? Do you play? Is it too early to play? Oh, oh, you are a kitten, aren't you? Good job. Oh my goodness. So already, huh? You're all ready to play? Even though you just got here, you'll play. You're a kitten. Yeah, this is a kitten right here. She's probably not even a year. Nah, she's already had one litter, so yeah, she'd have to be at least a year, really. Right abouts. Hey, oh, you got it. You got it. What do you think, huh? Kittens are just, the balloons in particular, are just crying at the door. Oh, and Ari's like trying to comfort her by like licking her. That was sweet. Oh, but she hit him and he ran away. Too much? Okay, that was fun. You know, you don't have any toys on the floor here either. I'm gonna have to go downstairs and just grab a big old handful of toys from the basement for you, huh? Was that a growl? I think I heard a growl just now for the door because the balloons is literally climbing it. Okay, okay, she's not gonna come in here. You don't worry about that. But yeah, she doesn't want that other cat to come in here yet. That's fair enough. Let me go get you some toys and let me go distract those kids so they go somewhere else, and then I'll come back. Okay? The balloons don't even think of running in this door again. Right. I know, it's a lot of stuff, huh? All right, maybe we put it in a pile and let you find it, huh? This is not for you. And I'll take one of these. You keep the big one. Okay? Right over here for you to check out as you like. Okay? What do you think? How does that smell, huh? Does it smell good? Oh, that's the good mouse, huh? She's so much into that silver vine nugget that's on there. That's what she's getting at. There's one of those little silver vine nuggets. I don't know what you call them. She's biting on it. It's gonna be so gross. Okay, okay, you keep playing with that, right? She doesn't know she's allowed to play with me, I guess. It's okay, keep going.